Hi guys, today is Friday, and just like what was scheduled yesterday, we had a history test at school. To be honest, the test was very difficult for me. Last night I spent a lot of time studying because I really wanted to get a good score. I reviewed all the materials that had been taught by my teacher, read my notes several times, and tried my best to memorize important points. When I woke up this morning, I was still a little nervous about the test. Before going to school, I decided to review the material one more time. I opened my notebook and read through the topics again so I wouldn't forget anything. On the way to school, I kept thinking about the lesson and tried to remember the dates, events, and important historical figures that might appear on the test. When the history test finally started, I felt pretty confident at first. However, after reading some of the questions, I realized that the test was harder than I expected. There were several questions that made me think for a long time. Some of them were about topics that I had studied, but the questions were written in a different way, so I had to think carefully before answering. Even though it was difficult, I tried my best to stay calm and answer every question as well as I could. After what felt like a very long time, the test finally ended. I felt relieved because I had completed it and could stop worrying about it. Whether my answers are correct or not, at least I know that I studied hard and gave my best effort. After the test, our class started discussing a short movie project that we are going to make tomorrow, which is Saturday. The discussion was quite interesting because everyone shared their ideas about the story, the characters, and how the movie should be filmed. We'll talk about the time, the scenes we made use, and the responsibilities of each group member. Some of my friends suggested creative ideas, and it was fun listening to everyone's opinion. Since there were no more lessons after that discussion, the school day ended earlier for us. We were finally allowed to go home. And before going home, I decided that I wanted to buy some snacks because I had not bought any food or drinks during today. I was feeling a little hungry after the test and the discussion session. Oh my god, my hands so sick. So I went to the area in front of the MPLB building. There are usually many street food vendors there. And I really like walking around because there are so many delicious snacks to choose from. The place was quite lively with students walking around and buying food from different stalls. There were various kinds of snacks, drink, and other tasty food sold by the street vendors. I spent some time looking at the different foods before deciding what to buy. After a busy day filled with studying, taking a difficult history test, and discussing our short movie project, it felt nice to relax and enjoy some snacks. It was a simple but enjoyable moment before finally heading home. Overall, today was quite a tiring day, especially because of the history test. Of the history test. However, I was happy that I managed to finish the test and that we had the opportunity to discuss our short movie project for tomorrow. Okay guys, goodbye. Finally, I finished to speak English in 30 days. Bye.